is Pawan from engineering team. I wish all the women of DTL a very happy Women's Day. I have been influenced by my mother a lot. Her name is Sadhana. She lived up to her name by being persistent and disciplined. I think I have learned to imbibe all those qualities in me also. Thanks, Mom. Love you a lot. Thank you.
Happy International Women's Day. I congratulate all women employees of Tanla. Women having a lot of patience compared with men. They had equal opportunities to grow in the society in terms of education and employment. And women having a lot of work-life balancing both in personal life and as well in the professional life. I will be congratulate all the employees to nurture their children to become a good society members in the world.
Hi friends, good morning. On this International Women's Day, I would like to share few words. So in olden days, we know that women are confined to their home, were not allowed to step outside. When modern women started realizing their strengths, they are contributing to the success of home and the entire society. We should respect each of them not because of the gender, but because of their identity. And we must agree that both men and women are contributing to the development of their home and community. So on this International Women's Day, let's recognize the importance of women in our life and to the society and motivate them for greater future achievements. So I would like to conclude my words by thanking all the women in my life, like my wife, mother, my sisters, and my colleagues like Lavanya, Anuradha, Sarita, Parmeshwari, and all other women who have helped me. Thank you. Have a wonderful Women's Day. Thank you.
Hey, hi Naveen.
Hey, hi Suchitra.
Would you like to share anything about women on this Women's Day?
Yes, of course, Suchitra. First of all, happy Women's Day, everyone. Whenever I think about the word woman, the first person who comes to my mind is my grandma, because I'm very connected to her, and I grew up in my grandparents' care. People usually say that women have a lot of patience, and I am reminded of it again and again when I see my grandma. Thank you, Amuma, for your love and support. Happy Women's Day, everyone.
Thanks a lot, Naveen.
Thank you, Suchitra.
I'm no different than many of you. The women who influence me the most is my mother, my amma. She's a superwoman and one of the most important person in my life. My amma's name is Vijay Lakshmi. Let me show a pic. This was taken 3 years ago on my birthday. She was born in economically backward family and had to leave her schooling in class 3 due to financial limitations. Being the eldest child, most of her time was spent in taking care of her other 3 siblings. Got married at a tender age of 17 and became mother at 18. While our world was restricted to 4 walls, our universe was her husband and 3 sons. Being the youngest in the family, I spent most of the time with her, helping her in household chores and always being with her. Like most of the women of this independent nation, she was no exception to male chauvinism. She was dominated every moment, but with her humility, she used to win hearts. I'm sure you all will agree with me that managing 6 sister-in-laws is no joke. In no time, she has become their favorite too. Everyone in my family, including me, I've hurt her in many ways, but she is resilient and ever loving. She accepted us in whatever way we are. She taught her children to be humble, righteous, grounded, and most importantly, humane. She proved that good values do not come from big universities or great teachers. It comes from our basic foundation, our mothers. I do not know whether there is God or not, but for me, she's the one. She's my first woman in life, my teacher, my first mentor, and my first friend. I strongly believe that every day is Women's Day, but for the record's sake, I would like to express my wishes. Happy Women's Day, Amma. Happy Women's Day to all wonderful women watching and listening to this clipping, and also to those real men who put efforts to recognize, respect, and make them special. Thank you.
May your tribe grow strong, may you walk tall, may you never cease to amaze. Happy Women's Day to all the women at DTIL.